Action.
Hey guys, welcome to the Christmas couple.
No, it's way too loud. Go ahead.
Oh, okay. All right, house update time. Here we are at the house to update you. Maybe we'll get to meet some fun people like the builder on the way. It's Dee. Do you want to be on our video? This is Dee, the man, the myth, the legend, Dee Dalton, extraordinaire.
We're working hard, trying to get it done.
That's right, especially in the
looking amazing.
I'm so excited.
Yeah.
I'm so excited to go see the Narnia Room because they were just starting to put it up when we.
Olivia's room, they've got part of that.
They did that one.
And they're working on Jack's now.
Oh, dude, I'm so excited. Yup. It's hot.
How's this compared to Texas now that we actually got some heat?
It's still better.
Yeah, still better. Windows are all in, if you can see up there in the top. That's where the stained glass is gonna go on the inside. Obviously, landscaping has not had a chance to do anything because there's still some big machinery stuff coming in and out, and that would ruin everything. Lovely 4-car garage, although I can't imagine there ever being more than 3 cars. We made that back space here for being able to film. So eventually we can do maybe green screen something and just have an actual space to do that. So this is kind of the vibe, very similar, if not exactly the same. The sizes change throughout the exterior in the back also. They're the same though.
Just pretend like you're walking camera now.
Hi guys. Yeah, so see the sconces are bigger here to be more of a statement at the front door. But what is this, pavers, flagstone, what is this?
It's stone.
Yeah, when it's not all dusty, it looks really beautiful. We'll go back through the garage. Okay, so this is the mudroom. It's gonna be the mudroom. There's gonna be built-ins here, and on this side, there's gonna be those cubbies for the shoes. Asked me if I knew there was a door back here. So guys, we have a door. Okay, so this is the outdoor grill area. So the grill, and there's counter space. It's gonna be really, really lovely. They turned it into storage for the extra wood, so that's nice. And then this is gonna be the screened porch. I'm gonna spend so much time out here. So see that we got more sconces that are the same style, but tinier. Outdoor fan, the lights have gone up. So that's nice. I love the beams. The dark beams are just, stunning. And then this is the actual wood, the only wood burning fireplace. Everything else is gas. So when it's cold, which it gets cold here, the heaters are gonna go in these long rectangular slots here and over here. And we'll see this when we get into the scullery, but that's open, so it's a pass-through. The screened porch stops right here, and then it goes into this nice open air upper patio area. And so the sconces again. I'm gonna keep saying sconces. Let's have a supercut of me saying sconces. The rails are in, which I think are really beautiful. Very cool. They're almost done. But yeah, they're minimal, but enough that you would have to keep an eye on Jack so he doesn't climb up them, but they're really nice. And there's the tennis court. They poured the concrete and looks like they're getting ready to do the fence around it. Down here is gonna be that meadow that I've talked about before, that kind of half circled part down there. It's hot, let's go inside. So this is gonna basically meet up with where we tried to come in before, but they're working in here. So that's the mudroom, and then this is the passageway area. And then here, the Emilys are doing something here too, right? Cute little table with some family pictures and stuff. And this is one of my favorite spots. The scullery and the pantry. So scullery here, this is that pass-through I was talking about that opens. I'm obsessed with the paint color they used. I think it's so beautiful. We have so much storage. So much storage. There's the countertops looking real pretty. But there's a sink here. This is gonna be a second dishwasher that's gonna go right there. And here is the actual pantry portion of it. So it's gonna have a lot of shelves and whatnot for extra foods. Now we're going into the kitchen. This is the scaffolding that I hope is permanent. So this is gonna be the range. And the hood vent's gonna go here. This is all just storage, right? And this is
your coffee station.
Oh, the coffee station, how could I forget? And then on that side is fridge freezer on the right. The big, beautiful sink. No weird divider in the middle. Just big and beautiful. Farmhouse sink, if you will. You can look out the window while you do dishes. Anyway, this is the white oak that's all over down here, this level, main level. It's up there, like more decoratively up top. I'm obsessed with the beams. I think they're stunning. Big vaulted ceiling. These doors slide both sides here so you can have that lovely indoor-outdoor feel. This is the slide that goes down into the Narnia Room. And so this is gonna have a like a cabinetry facade basically. So working cabinetry and shelves, but then this part will kind of slide open so you can actually, laundry room. This is the upstairs laundry room, which is gonna be where Andrew and I do our laundry, our sheets, that kind of stuff. And then there's another one downstairs that I'll show you in a minute. This is one of my favorite parts, these racks. They all, when you open it, you can slide them out, and this is gonna have like a mesh thing on it. So if you're drying things, hang drying them, the air will actually get to it and dry it. This is our bed. What have I even touched? So there's wet paint somewhere. Okay, be careful. The primary suite, as it is called. I really love our ceilings too, partially because they're vaulted, but also the really cool work done on it as far as there's different sections, right? Love these huge windows. You can access your own little part of the outdoor patio for like coffee or whatever from our room.
Little part.
Yeah.
You said your own little part.
Well, your own little part, our own little part. Let's go to our bathroom. So we went with heated floors. Very excited about that. The tile is really lovely. And so this is gonna be the floor of the shower in here all the way through. And it's a walk-through. So you can, there's no doors on either side, but there's lots of different water coming at you, whichever way, whatever level you want it at. And then they made a nice little niche here so we can niche.
Those are body sprayers too on that side.
Are they really?
Yeah.
Dude, I didn't remember that.
And there's the rain shower.
And there's the rain shower head up above. Rain shower here. You just get like, it's like a car wash. You're just gonna get blasted. And then on this side of this wall is the tub, which I'm very, very, very excited about. The tub's gonna be here. And then this, I don't know if you can see, this is this. It's gonna go all the way up here. Our sinks area. Dos Cincos, lots and lots of counter space. I really like this. How it kind of waterfalls down here, the marble portion of it. Here's the potty room, which I think is very expansive and I appreciate. Plenty of room to, go potty. Closet. This is Andrew's side of the closet. And you won't be able to see this. How are they covering this?
Some kind of cabinetry.
Some sort of, again, facade cabinetry situation where this is secret access from Andrew's closet into the library, which I'll show you in a minute. This is my side of the closet. 'Tis much bigger. I've got windows, love. And then this is where the vanity's gonna go. So I can sit and do makeup, hair, whatever. This is the library. And so you can access it from the living room area or you can go through Andrew's closet. This whole wall is gonna be bookshelves for all of our books. That is where the stained glass is gonna go, up in that window. So it's not gonna be the actual window itself, it's gonna be on the inside of that actual.
Hanging in front of it.
Yeah, it'll be hung in front of it. This is gonna be where similar to a Murphy bed, the table's gonna come down. So most of the year it'll be up, and this is a sitting area where we're gonna have a chess table. And then during the holidays when there's going to be now a fall one, a Halloween one, Village, and also Andrew's Dickens Christmas Village is gonna go here. So the table will come down and then he can put all his stuff on it, and it is on display in the library. Important to have a powder bath. Here it is. Shall we up?
Yeah.
You can't really see them, but look. Wow. This is a cute little cubby area. We didn't want this space to go to waste. So it is going to be the kids' kind of secret little library. This is for, I think pretty much everything has.
Wait, we're walking on flooring.
There's flooring.
Didn't even realize.
Guys, this is the floor in our house. Oh dang, that's so exciting. This is gonna have just like a tiny little sitting area with a railing, and then you'll have a great view of the stained glass. So any guests that are here, like, maybe you're not ready to come out and hang out with the family yet and you just want a little quiet time, the bedroom floor is happening. And the walls are painted. Oh man. We had kind of a funny little middle area because there's this closet and that one, but they chose, and I think this was the correct way to go, to do some kind of like shoe shelf situation, but lots of hanging storage in both sides. I really love the floor. The guest bath. The shower and the tub are one unit. There is a skylight, which is stunning. So while you're sitting in the tub, the bathtub will be kind of right here where I'm standing. I'm obsessed with this tile. I think it's stunning. I really, 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 really love it. And I think it goes really interestingly well with this green tile. And it's also in this little niche here. I'm thinking of like a really fun rain, like it's raining outside. And you can like hear it and see it here, and you're just like hanging out in the tub, having a great time. And that's the third floor. I really do like the railings. You can't quite tell, but you can kind of see through the plastic. There's really nice detail. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Really good, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Yeah, the cabinetry is in over there. Big TV here. Tons of cabinetry, and this is where Andrew's gonna have all his film equipment, 90s memorabilia. So sorry, that goes on these shelves over here. It is a commercial storefront window so that there were no dividings in it so that you can get this full view. So in the fall, winter, really all the seasons, it's gonna be really cool to look out there. Yeah, we're getting an 15 to 18 foot Christmas tree. It'll start down there on that platform, all the way up. Down we go. Okay, so we are now in the basement level. Here's gonna be, this is their study area. They're gonna have desk tables and cute little sconces. So this will be where they can do homework and whatever. And then Olivia's room. I really love the pink color. I really, 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 really love it. And her wallpaper is so stinking cute. Look at how pretty that is. This is the first time I'm seeing her wallpaper in real life, like on the walls, not just a tiny little sample piece. I think she's really gonna love it. Goes straight into her bathroom. This will be her mirror and lights, but this is just some of my favorite tile in the whole house is Liv's. This is her vanity area, and that's the sink. So she can sit here, cute little scalloped edge on the bottom, detail of her little area. Tile is so pretty. It's very shell mermaid to me. This little cubby area by the toilet for whatever one might need. Really cool windows here. Huge, huge, huge. Cute little shelf, put little tchotchkes or whatever, extra soaps, lots of natural light, and then her shower is beautiful. We went with the tub shower for both of the kids because they both still like baths plenty. So from Olivia's room and from Jack's room, you can access the Narnia Room. And this is gonna be a wardrobe situation where she can literally like go through. Here we go. You need to duck. I'm almost at the top. It's so dark, but I hope you can see the really, really sweet, beautiful wallpaper they did. It's this woodland creature vibe. The ceiling, the part that is still white on the ceiling, I really like the dark.
It's gonna be a starry night over here.
It's gonna be Starry Night ceiling.
We're gonna install.
Okay, this is our first time also seeing Jack's wallpaper beginning to be done. It's cute. It was gonna be a darker color, but I'm glad we went with this one. His bathroom is also attached to his bathroom. And so they continued the wall situation where it's half the painted wood slat look. Here's his tile. This will be I really like Jack's, the countertop. This is the second laundry room. So this is gonna be for kids stuff. Kids sheets, kids clothes. It's a stackable washer dryer. And this is the first place that actually has any hardware on it for the pulls. And then this is like the den living space area. Wallpaper central currently. So this is a fireplace on here, yes. And then these closets are really nice. I'm not sure exactly this one, but we're thinking this one's gonna be more of like a Christmas closet because there's tons of space in there. There's even like a secondary, like lower level. And this is the bathroom that's attached to the workout room so that anybody who's working out, they're yucky, they're stinky, they can just pop right in here and take a shower. This is kind of a floating shelf situation that's gonna have the sink in it. Potty's gonna be here. It's gonna have, I think it's like a half glass door and then the other half is open, pretty sure. But I really honestly am so obsessed with the fact that there's such big window sill areas. The workout room, which right now is just like a storage room, but I'll walk you through what it's gonna be. Over here, the treadmill is gonna face this way. The big workout machine is gonna be this whole area. It's gonna be like a total body weight resistance situation. Third of the room is gonna be relaxy, plants, yoga, Himalayan salt lamps kind of vibe. On this side, this whole wall is mirrors. There's a water filler station like you would see in like an airport. And here is the kitchenette snack bar area. This is gonna be a little mini fridge here. There's a sink here, yeah? And then I really like the cabinetry. I think it's so cool.
Yeah, drawer pull microwave here as well.
Oh fun, a drawer pull microwave. That's exciting. This will probably be the last piece of the house that's for sure completely finished because we have the artist basically coming in to finish it. So there's gonna be 3-tiered seating. The screen will be on that far wall there. A really big screen all across there. It's gonna be 12-foot screen, Dolby digital surround so that Andrew can hear things well. And then also really good soundproofing so I don't have to hear it well. So we are basement level again, sconces, same look, same feel. Really lovely stone pavers down here, different sizes. So there's lots of fun living space down here. Around the corner is the generator. That's it for now. Yay, Christmas couple. Yay, our house almost done. 5 years in the making. It's gonna happen. We're gonna move in hopefully this summer at some point. Whee! Like and subscribe. Okay.